Hey everyone, we are at Washed by the Water with Beachball Properties, and I want to give you a look around. We are on the first floor here. You come in, there's this gorgeous dining room table. Look at this great kitchen. Perfect. Everything you need. Really set up. I love the decorations in here, like perfect luxury coastal vibe, but still relaxing. And those chairs look like they are meant for sitting and relaxing. So look at the full room. It's a 2-story house, 3 bedrooms. There's the outdoor patio here overlooking some water and a table. And then as we spin around, there is a bedroom or bathroom, my goodness, a bathroom right here off the hallway, along with washer and dryer right here. As we come in here, here is the first downstairs bedroom, flat screen dresser and everything. We'll spin around and go into the second one. Come upstairs and there's this great play area. We've got NBA jams and Dib-Dub arcade games here. Flat screen and a really nice sitting area. Come around over here. A great bedroom with a bunk bed. You can look out for birds. Maybe some alligators out here. Always fun. And this room has its own ensuite with a shower tub combo. Pass by the games again. And this bedroom also has a great bed and bunk bed, storage and bathroom with a shower tub condo. Really great space. And this is with Beachball Properties, so make sure to use code GOLFJOURNEY to save on your stay.